So based on these concepts, are you all ready to solve the problems along with me? Shall we begin? Okay. So here is your first question. Your first question says, which of the following is the longest? Okay. And your options are paintbrush, option B, door, option C, pencil, and option D, scale. Okay. So you have to tell me which among these is the longest in the length. So paintbrush, we know it will come only up to this much, right? Maybe a little lengthier than this marker pen. What about the door? Yes, door has good dimension and good length. What about the pencil? Pencil will not measure more than this, right? Scale. Scale also you have what is the maximum centimeter you have? You have about 25 to 30, right? So which means that the longest among the one is the B, which is door. Clear? So let us do the second sum now. Your second question says, which is used to measure length? Okay, which means that here it is talking about which particular unit are we going to use for measuring the length. Is it ruler or balance, meter tape, and option D says both A and C. So which is used to measure the length? Do we use ruler to measure the length? Yes, if there is a object given or drawn on our book or paper, say for example, if I have to measure the length of the square, I will be using ruler, right? So which means option A is right. Do we use balance? What is a balance? You have two plates wherein you will be keeping your items and you will be measuring it, right? So do we use this to measure the length? No, we don't do it, which means option B is not the right answer. Meter tape. Have you seen the meter tape? Again, here you will be having the measurements written on this meter tape, right? So do we use the meter tape to measure the length? Yes, we use the meter tape as well. Option D says both A and C, which means we use ruler as well as the meter tape. Yes? Yes. So option D is my right answer. So are you clear? Shall we do with the next sum? So here is your next question. Your next question says, which among these is the most heaviest? Okay, and your options are A, mango, B, car, C, pencil, D, book. So now you need to tell me which among them weighs the heaviest. So mango, car, pencil or book. Very good. Option is car. It weighs the maximum. And which is the lightest among all? It is the pencil. Good. Coming to your next question. The next question says, which unit is used to measure the length of pencil? Okay, and your options are A centimeter, B kilogram, C gram, and D liter. So which is used to measure the length of the pencil? So when I say length of something, I told you earlier that it is either meter, centimeter or kilometer, right? So here which do you think is the right answer? Yes, option A, centimeter is the right answer. Okay, so here comes your next question. The next question asks, the capacity of a bucket can be measured in dash. Okay, and your options are A centimeter, B gram, C kilogram, and D liter. So how will you measure the capacity of a bucket? So if you remember, we learnt earlier that whatever comes in the liquid state, we measure in terms of liter and milliliter. So when I am talking about the capacity of the bucket, I am not asking the weight of the bucket. I am asking the capacity. So the capacity of the bucket is measured in which terms? Good. It is D liter. Okay. Coming to the next question. The next question asks, which holds maximum quantity of water? Okay, and your options are A water bottle, B glass, C water tank, and D spoon. So you have to tell me which among these holds the maximum quantity of water. Is it water bottle, glass, water tank or spoon? Very good. It is option C, water tank. Can you tell me which holds the least among them? Yes, it is option D, spoon. It holds very less of water, whereas water tank can hold maximum capacity of water. Clear? So did you all enjoy doing these sums? Shall we move to the next set of sums now? Are you all ready?